On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok search bar. Hello guys, so to fix the search problem easy and fast, all what you have to do is just keep watching this video until the very end, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be solved. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, and after that, here all what you have to do now is go to the apps manager, go to the apps, after you go to the apps, now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading as you can see. Now scroll down until you find TikTok app. And after you find TikTok app, now all what you have to do here is just click on it like this. And after you click on it, now all what you have to do is very simple. Just click here on this button, it's called force stop. Click on it, and after that, go to the storage. Now right here, all what you have to do is just click on this option, it's called clear data. And now restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.